All right, so first we're going to fold our paper in half, again to get that line of symmetry in the middle. And then this time we're going to write our name in cursive. So when you write in cursive, all the letters are connected together, and it makes a different kind of a shape than it does when you write your name out in print. And I think it likes to be an insect in cursive. I don't know why. Yours could be a monster or something else, but this one will be an insect for me. But first we need to make it symmetrical. So I'm going to move over to the light box. Again, you can do this on the window at your house. Put it over the window, the light will shine through. And I'm tracing over those letters. Since the Y in my name crosses the line of symmetry, I'm going to have to open up my paper and check where that other part needs to come through. There we go, that looks symmetrical. And now I think he wants to be, this one I think he wants to be a butterfly. With his antennas up on the top, he'll need some wings. So I'm going to make a big loop around for the top part of the wing and a smaller loop down here for the bottom of the wing. And then I'm going to add a little line down here for his abdomen. Now his wings need a little more detail, so I'm going to add in some more lines for detail. And then maybe they need a few polka dots. So we'll add some polka dots. Now you notice I only did one wing. I can fold my paper again and trace that wing onto the other side so I keep my butterfly nice and symmetrical. And then we'll color it real quick. Sign our name and we're done.